In 2026, I had the privilege of traveling to Bali, Indonesia, as part of the IKEA Foundation Ambassador program, alongside 5 fellow ambassadors from Australia and New Zealand. Bali is one of the foundation's key hubs, where many local driven initiatives are supported to fight global warming and create sustainable change. During this journey, I connected with IKEA co-workers from across the globe, exchanging ideas, experiences, and perspectives that strengthened our shared commitment to sustainability. One of the most impactful parts of the trip was visiting project sites and seeing firsthand the work of local partners. We gained a deeper understanding of their challenges, their vision, and the meaningful progress they have achieved. A highlight was visiting a maggot farming operation, an innovative solution addressing organic waste management in Bali. This initiative transforms organic waste into valuable resources, reducing environmental risks. We observed their processes, visited their clients, and even saw the system in action in a 5-star hotel that actively uses their services. We also met people behind these initiatives and heard their personal stories, which truly brought their mission into life and highlighted the passion driving the work.
Partners as well as
Another inspiring moment was traveling on an electric shuttle bus supported by the IKEA Foundation, demonstrating practical steps toward reducing carbon emissions. Beyond the projects, the experience was enriched by time spent with local communities and fellow ambassadors. We shared stories, celebrated together, and built lasting relationships that will continue beyond this journey. We also visited a recycling facility and participated in sorting waste, gaining a practical understanding of the recycling process. This experience not only deepened my understanding of sustainability challenges and solutions, but also made me incredibly proud to work for IKEA, a company that truly cares for the environment.